We often think that acid reflux can only be treated with Western medicine or by following a strict diet. But have you ever wondered if there's a natural way to calm your stomach, one that truly works, without the burning, the reflux, or the sleepless nights? Many people have told me, "I've been taking medicine for so long, but my throat still burns. I burp after every meal, and I can't sleep at night." The truth is, the problem isn't that the medicine doesn't work, it's that the stomach hasn't been properly healed. And sometimes, it's the smallest natural things around us, the ones we often overlook, that hold the power to restore our stomach's balance without depending on drugs. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Live Well Every Day. I know that among those watching today, many have been struggling with acid reflux, constantly restricting what you eat, taking all kinds of medications, yet still feeling uncomfortable. Take Mr. 2 from Bin Din, for example, someone I met during a recent consultation. He said, "Everything I eat burns my throat. If I stop taking my pills, the pain comes back, but if I keep taking them, I worry about damaging my liver and kidneys." At that moment, I suggested he try 6 natural seeds. 3 weeks later, he called me back, his voice full of excitement. "It's amazing. I sleep better now, my stomach feels light, and the reflux is gone." You see, nature always has its own way of healing us. We just need to learn how to make the most of it. So, what are the 6 types of seeds that can cut off acid reflux completely? Why do they strengthen the stomach? And how should we eat them to absorb their nutrients correctly, without causing the opposite effect? Let's go through each one carefully in today's video. I believe that after watching this, you'll feel more at ease enjoying your meals, no more burning, no more discomfort. And if you have any questions or health concerns along the way, please leave a comment. I'm always here to listen and help in every way I can. Before we dive into each type of seed, I'd like to take a moment to help everyone understand why acid reflux actually happens. Many people believe reflux is caused only by spicy food, coffee, or stress. But in truth, the deeper reason lies in the gradual weakening of the stomach over time. As we age, the esophageal sphincter, the small valve that separates the stomach from the throat, becomes weaker and doesn't close as tightly as before. So when we eat too much or lie down right after a meal, stomach acid can easily flow upward, causing that burning sensation, belching, or even chest pain. On top of that, the stomach's contractions slow down, making food digest more slowly. This forces the stomach to release even more acid to break food down, which keeps irritating the lining. Over time, this leads to inflammation, ulcers, and constant discomfort. Many people turn to Western medicine to relieve symptoms quickly. But if medication is used for too long without restoring the stomach's natural balance, it can actually weaken the stomach's ability to regulate itself. That's why the real solution is to help the stomach heal from within, through a healthy diet and natural foods that soothe acidity, repair the lining, and strengthen the digestive system. And among those natural remedies, the 6 types of seeds I'm about to share are like gentle friends that allow your stomach to rest, heal, and recover naturally, safely and sustainably. Now, let's start with the first seed, almonds. In modern medicine, almonds are considered a natural shield against acid reflux because they are mildly alkaline, helping to neutralize excess stomach acid. When acid levels are balanced, the stomach lining calms down, and that burning sensation in the chest and throat gradually disappears. Almonds are also rich in magnesium and calcium, 2 essential minerals that support smooth muscle function in the stomach, preventing abnormal contractions. For older adults, this is especially important. When stomach muscles weaken, even one heavy meal or lying down too soon after eating can trigger reflux. Almonds not only support digestion but also provide a source of clean, steady energy. A small handful, about 20 to 30 grams per day, eaten in the morning or mid-afternoon, can help warm the body, reduce bloating, and promote deeper sleep at night. If your stomach is sensitive, you can soak the almonds in warm water for a few hours before eating. This makes them softer, easier to digest, and gentler on the stomach. You know, almonds are like a quiet, caring friend. They don't heal you overnight, but day by day, they help your body restore balance and bring peace to your stomach. However, if you're allergic to nuts such as walnuts, cashews, or chestnuts, you should also avoid almonds, as they can trigger similar reactions. Those with weak digestion, frequent bloating, or poor kidney function should eat only a few almonds a day, and always chew thoroughly. And if you're currently taking blood thinners or cholesterol-lowering medication, consult your doctor first before eating almonds regularly, because their high vitamin E content can affect how these medicines work. Let's move on to the second seed, the oxygen tank for the stomach, chia seeds. Many of you have probably heard that chia seeds are great for the heart, blood pressure, or skin, but few people know that they're also a silent hero that helps your stomach rest and heal itself every day. In modern medicine, chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, a golden duo that soothes the stomach lining and naturally reduces acid. When soaked in water, chia seeds expand and form a smooth gel layer around them. This gel acts like a protective film, coating the stomach walls, shielding them from acid erosion, and calming hidden inflammation inside. For those who often experience heartburn, bloating, or acid reflux, a small glass of chia water each day is like wrapping the stomach in a soft, protective layer. In addition, the high fiber content in chia seeds helps keep digestion smooth, relieves constipation, and prevents gas buildup, all of which are common triggers for increased acid. Here's how to use them. Soak 1 to 2 teaspoons of chia seeds in a glass of warm water for about 10 minutes until they fully expand. Drink this either before breakfast or about 1 hour after dinner. If you prefer, you can add a little honey or a few slices of lemon for better taste. However, if you have weak digestion or tend to choke easily, make sure the seeds are completely soaked. Never drink them dry. You see, chia seeds, though tiny, carry the power of balance. They teach us a simple truth: when we slow down, letting things settle gently. From food to breath, the body knows how to heal itself. Just like life, when we rush, everything falls apart. But when we learn to listen and be patient, the stomach and the soul both find peace again. Now let's move on to the third seed, flaxseed. Compared to chia seeds, flax seeds are mentioned less often. Yet in the world of nutrition, they are a hidden treasure for digestive health, especially for those who frequently suffer from bloating or chronic reflux. Flax seeds are rich in soluble fiber and contain a natural mucilage that turns into a soft gel when mixed with water. This gel forms a thin, protective coating along the stomach lining, helping shield it from acid and reducing that burning feeling after meals. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids and natural anti-inflammatory compounds that heal the stomach lining and balance acid levels. For older adults who often deal with constipation, flax seeds help regulate bowel movement, allowing digestion to flow smoothly and reducing the pressure that pushes acid upward, one of the hidden causes of reflux. How to use: take 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed daily and sprinkle it over porridge, yogurt, or your morning smoothie. Be sure to drink plenty of water so the fiber can work effectively. If you prefer something simpler, mix a tablespoon of flaxseed powder into warm water, stir well, and drink it right after breakfast. It's best to choose pre-ground flaxseed, as whole seeds are hard to digest and the body can't absorb all their nutrients. Flax seeds, though small, carry a big message: to live well. We don't always need to do something grand, we just need to keep everything flowing smoothly. From the gut to the heart. When the body flows freely, the mind feels lighter. When the stomach rests, sleep comes naturally. I always say that true health is a conversation between the body and the soul. When we learn to listen, the body will tell us what it needs, and when to stop. Flax seeds are a gentle reminder that moderation and patience are the best medicines for every ailment in life. Next comes the fourth seed, pumpkin seeds, often called the folk medicine for the stomach and for better sleep. Since ancient times, people have used pumpkin seeds as a natural remedy to expel parasites. But few realize they're also powerful for relaxing the stomach, calming the nerves, and improving digestion. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, zinc, and tryptophan, a golden trio, for both the stomach and the nervous system. Magnesium relaxes the stomach muscles, easing cramps and tension. Zinc helps repair damaged stomach lining. Tryptophan is a precursor to serotonin, the happiness hormone, that helps the body feel calm and promotes deeper sleep. For older adults, the stomach tends to weaken, and sleep often becomes restless. Adding a handful of pumpkin seeds each day is like feeding both the body and the mind with gentle, healing energy. You can eat a small handful of lightly roasted, unsalted pumpkin seeds in the afternoon or about an hour before bedtime. If you prefer easier digestion, crush or grind them and mix into warm porridge or milk. But don't overeat. While pumpkin seeds contain healthy fats, too much can still cause bloating. You know, pumpkin seeds may be tiny, yet they carry the fullness of their name, bringing balance and calm to both body and spirit. I often say the stomach and the heart share a deep connection. When we're anxious, the stomach tightens. When the heart is peaceful, digestion flows smoothly. So caring for your stomach isn't just about what you eat, it's also about how you live. Learning to slow down, breathe deeper, and find calm amidst life's chaos. Now let's move on to the fifth seed, sunflower seeds. Many people think of sunflower seeds as just a simple snack, but in truth, they're a natural remedy that helps repair the stomach lining and neutralize excess acid effectively. Sunflower seeds are rich in vitamin E, selenium, and powerful antioxidants that protect stomach cells from acid damage, reduce inflammation, and strengthen the digestive system. In addition, their healthy fats support the liver and gallbladder, two organs that play key roles in digestion and acid regulation. Each day, you can enjoy a small handful, about 20 grams, of shelled, lightly roasted, unsalted sunflower seeds. Eating them in the afternoon helps ease bloating, balance acid, and promote better sleep. For older adults, this is a safe and nourishing snack that also benefits the heart and brain. You see, sunflowers always turn toward the light, no matter where they grow. They teach us a beautiful lesson, even in darkness. As long as we keep our hearts facing the positive, we can still bloom and shine. The same goes for our stomachs. When we're stressed or upset, acid production increases. But when we keep a peaceful mind and eat mindfully, the stomach also learns to rest, like the gentle morning sun rising after a long night. So, sunflower seeds are not just food, they're a quiet reminder that true health begins with small choices and the light we nurture within ourselves. Now, let's move on to the final seed, millet, often called the natural doctor of the digestive system. Many of you might think millet is just a simple, traditional grain used in porridge for the sick or the elderly. But in both traditional and modern medicine, millet is considered one of the best foods to restore a weak, inflamed, or reflux-prone stomach. Millet has a mild sweetness and a cooling nature. It's rich in fiber, B vitamins, and minerals such as iron, magnesium, and zinc. These nutrients help neutralize stomach acid, soothe the lining, reduce burning and bloating, and improve nutrient absorption. For older adults, whose digestion tends to slow and whose stomachs are more sensitive, millet porridge is soft, easy to digest, and non-acidic, a perfect choice to let the stomach rest and recover naturally. You can cook a light bowl of millet porridge each day and enjoy it in the morning or at night. To enhance flavor and sleep quality, you can add a few lotus seeds or pieces of pumpkin while cooking. However, if you're experiencing diarrhea or acute digestive upset, it's best to pause for a few days, since millet has a naturally cooling effect that may chill the stomach if eaten in excess. You know, millet may seem humble, but it carries a quiet wisdom. When the heart is calm, the stomach is calm too. Just like a pot of millet porridge that must be simmered slowly over low heat, we too must learn to slow down in order to heal. No matter how busy or heavy life feels, as long as we choose what's good for our body, every meal can become a small act of self-love. The 6 seeds, simple as they sound, can truly help your stomach heal day by day, gently and sustainably. The key isn't to eat a lot, but to eat mindfully, just a small amount, chewed well, never late at night, and always with a peaceful heart. Because the stomach, much like the heart, only finds balance when the mind is at ease. When the soul is light, the body naturally knows how to recover. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more inspiring lessons on health, nutrition, and mindful living. I wish you, and all my dear viewers, good meals, peaceful sleep, vibrant health, and a calm heart in every moment. See you again in the next video.